Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique. I'm here with another recipe. Today we'll be making spicy braised cabbage with lemongrass. I love cabbage. I can just eat cabbage plain, just put it in a pot, steam it with no seasoning, no oil, nothing, and I'll eat an entire head of cabbage that way. But for this recipe, I jazzed the cabbage up a little bit by adding some lemongrass and some chili garlic paste that I made. I do have a recipe for my homemade chili garlic paste coming soon, but until then you can just try to go to your local Asian grocery store and find some fried chili paste and then just mix it with a few cloves of minced garlic. And I do suggest you use fried chili paste, not sambal or sriracha or anything like that. I do love sambal and sriracha, but it does have a different flavor than the fried chili paste. And if you can't find fried chili paste at all, then it's okay. Just use some chopped garlic, or if you don't like spicy food, you can omit the chili and it will taste great either way. This recipe is super simple to make. It's quick, easy, and I think you will enjoy it. So I do hope you give it a try or save it on Pinterest for later. And please leave me any comments or questions that you might have. I will see you in the next video. Bye. The sesame oil with the garlic and chili in this recipe tastes so good with the cabbage, so I hope you give it a try. I do highly recommend you use Savoy cabbage. I've tried this recipe with regular green cabbage and it just did not taste as good. If you can't find Savoy cabbage, I would use Napa cabbage, or even bok choy or kale would taste better than green cabbage. But either way, I hope you give this recipe a try. If you want a light lunch, this would be good just with a side of rice. Or if you're having it for dinner, you could eat it with my cauliflower steak. It would be a good side dish. But I hope you save the recipe on Pinterest. Click on my logo to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!